Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'll be sharing my updated twist out routine. So if you're interested in seeing what I use and what I do, just keep on watching. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. My hair is still in the little twigs I washed it in, so I'm going to take them down as I go and lightly finger detangle the section before applying the products. The first product I'll be using is the Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Leave-In Conditioner. I haven't moisturized yet, so this will be the L to my OC. And I'm going to liberally apply the leave-in all throughout the section. Next, I'll be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle 5 Essential Oils to seal in the leave-in. To style my hair, I'll be using the Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Hair Cream. This is my favorite product of those I've tried from the Sweet Potato Pie collection. It's the perfect consistency, it doesn't make my hair feel weighed down, and most importantly, it's very moisturizing. I have a recent full wash day video up on my channel sharing my thoughts on this product and others from the Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Pie collection. I'll link it above and below in the description box for you to check out. But that's it for the product, so I'm going to twist up the section and repeat this process on the remainder of my head. After twisting my hair up, I apply a plastic cap for about 15 minutes to further seal in the moisture before allowing my hair to completely air dry. It's a couple days later and my hair is completely dry. Now it's time to take down the twist. I'm using this Texture ID Thermal Protecting Shine and Seal Gloss to unravel the twist in an effort to reduce frizz. Something new I've started implementing in my hair routine is heat stretching my twist outs and braid outs. You can definitely choose a heatless stretching method or decide not to stretch your hair at all. It's completely up to you. I'm just showing you what I currently do. The Texture ID Thermal Gloss is a heat protectant, so I am taking the necessary precautions to protect my hair from heat damage. These days, postpartum shedding is my problem, but we're not gonna get into that. This technique is quick and easy, and I've been loving the more elongated day one results. So I'm gonna take my blow dryer on medium heat and stretch my curls. These are my results. I hope y'all enjoyed this updated twist out routine and that it was helpful in some way, shape, or form. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all you people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.